We installed a full lifetime roofing system through GAF in Reading, Pennsylvania. We started with removing the old roof that was improperly installed. There was plywood installed on the existing shingles. We were able to take it down to the original space decking. We needed to bring the original space decking to international building codes. To do that, we install new OSB sheathing. The Equipter is perfect for collecting any old materials and scraps. Take a look at how nice the new OSB looks compared to the original decking. In order to protect the new OSB, we need to install ice and water shield on the valleys and eaves, as well as new synthetic underlayment. To finish off this full lifetime roofing system, we installed Timberline HDZ Shingles in the color charcoal. The charcoal shingles match the black trim on the windows. We added ridge vents on the entire home to allow the new roof to breathe, as well as new ridge caps. The charcoal shingles match the black trim on the windows, making for a fresh new look for this home. Contact Top Tier Exteriors today for a free inspection on your roof, siding and gutters. We also offer junk removal services as well as interior repairs due to water damage. We are licensed and insured. We always put high quality materials and top-notch workmanship first.